This is code.org, and I'm working on their CS or Computer Science Discoveries lesson. This is Unit 2 of CS Discoveries. Unit 2 is about web development, and I am on Lesson 13, Part 2, RGB Colors and Classes. RGB colors. All colors, whether they have names or not, can be described by levels of red, green, and blue it takes to make them. This is called their RGB value, short for red, green, blue. You can use the widget on your left to try out different RGB values and see what colors they make. Okay, so what this is going to have us do, and it says click run to start the widget on the left. All right. And use the sliders to adjust the levels of red, green, blue, light. Okay. Oh, so it's changing this background color. Interesting. Okay. For each of the colors below, match it to its RGB value. So on the paper that you should have, we're going to be matching these up. So for A, 216. And it took me a while to figure this out. As you're dragging, I'm really bad at getting it exact. Well, you can use the arrow key if you need to move it over a little bit. Green, 191. Boom, and blue is 216 again. Well, so on your paper, I think it will be matched number 4, I believe. Some type of purple or violet is going to be matched with A. Okay? And this is the amount of red, green, and blue. And when you write it in CSS, where you would write this is the same place you would just write the color blue or the color red, except now you would write RGB and these numbers. B. All right, let's test out B next. 255 is max. Green is 239. Ooh, I wonder if this is going to be dark then. Oh, 239. So I'm just using those arrows keys. It helps a lot. And 213. Okay. And then that looks, definitely not dark. That is 1. So I guess B would be matched with 1. All right. C, 250. That doesn't change much. Let's just use the arrow keys. I have to click on it and then I can use arrows. Green, 128. Okay, and blue is 114. And, I think C then matches with 2. And notice that RGB, again, this is where you would put on in your CSS to create that color. All right, let's try D. Red is 70. Wow, that's way down. And then green's 128. Oh, no. Green's 130. Click and move this over. And blue is 180. So that looks like it matches 3. So I would match then D with the 3. E, red is 107. I guess if by elimination, I'm going to assume this one's 5, or I did something really wrong. 142, and blue is 35. Perfect. And it looks like that one matches with 5. So E would be 5. Great. Why do red and green make yellow? Huh. Okay, so this is just a bit more info. But I think we're good to go there. We're going to hit finish. Are you finished with App Lab? You're in control. If it's up to you to check your work and decide when you're done. Yeah, I'm done. All right, great.